All right, so how to choose a niche for your new SMMA agency. So in the previous videos, I talked about why I think an SMMA agency, social media marketing agency, is the best business you can start this summer if you have no money, and the best business in my opinion, period. Okay? Now, choosing a niche. Many people will recommend that you choose a niche. For example, you work with dentists, you work with realtors, you work with auto mechanics, whatever it is. People, many people on the internet you'll see they recommend you choose a niche. Okay, and that's good advice. But in the beginning, my opinion is that you shouldn't do that. Okay, and in my previous video, I talked to you about how you can find your first 1-2 clients, and that is just by using your network, using the people you know, your friends, your family, your colleagues, and just find people within your network that have a business and offer your marketing services to them. For example, Facebook ads or Google ads. Okay, so I wanted to clear this up. I don't want you to focus on choosing a niche first. I want you to get 3 or 4 clients first that are stable, that are paying you month by month, every month, and then niche down. Okay? And I want to touch upon a little bit on the name as well, because many people I see, they get stuck in choosing a name for their agency. Honestly, don't overthink it. Don't do the same mistake as I did. Sorry. Don't do the same mistake as I did in the beginning, because I spent, I guess, over a month just, choosing a name and coming up with a name that is cool, that is nice, and checking if the domains are available. Really, don't overthink it, and don't overthink it. And there are many tools online that can help you in finding a name for your business. So, for example, go on Google and type business name generators, and many ideas will come up. At the same time, I want you to have a tab opened and go on GoDaddy.com. I think that's what it is, and that's a website where you can purchase domains. Okay, because you'll eventually want to have a website. So just go on there and see what names are available and try to match them. If not, it's not a big deal. Just choose a name, create a Facebook page. You're not gonna have a website in the beginning. Choose a name, create a Facebook page. Don't overthink it, okay? Don't overthink it, because it's not the most important thing, okay? And a piece of advice which I want to give you that no one speaks about on the internet, at least not in the, not on YouTube. They do speak about this in the paid communities. Is don't choose, and this is counterintuitive, don't choose a name that has words like marketing or agency or anything like that. Those are actually buzzwords, and when you are going to do cold calls, so calling companies to offer your services, or cold emails, that's called outreach, okay? When you're going to do that, this can be a turnoff for people that you call or that you cold email, okay? And my agency has one of those words in it, but I already am creating a brand out of it, and I don't want to change the name. But if I were to start now, I wouldn't choose a name that has marketing or agency or anything like that in it, because they can be a turnoff. So niche, name, and last one, which I want to give it to you, is logo. Many people also overthink it. They want to pay someone on platform like Fiverr or Upwork to do a logo for them. Honestly, you don't need that. Just go on Canva, canva.com, and watch a couple of tutorials. Go on YouTube first. Type in how to create a business logo in Canva and create something simple, something clean, and just use that. Okay? So that's how you should approach niching down, choosing a name, and creating a logo if you have no money. That's it. I hope this video helped. Please like it if you did, and let me know in the comment section what you think. See you in the next one.